Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying two essentials: your character level and an open skill slot, because focused Jujutsu Infinite requires sufficient capacity. Equip it as your active ability and approach a safe test target. Press and hold the aim or cast button for roughly 0, 5 to 1, 5 seconds. This starts the charge sequence. Once done, release to execute the initial pulse. Do this now so you can observe timing windows and visual cues before moving into sustained use. You need to balance charge level with resource consumption. Holding a partial charge preserves stamina and MP while still granting benefit. Once you spot the inner ring tightening, toggle burst mode for a 2-3 second high damage window that consumes extra cost. Make sure to alternate between partial holds and full bursts to sustain output. Also, watch the visual rings and count beats. This rhythmic monitoring lets you predict cooldowns and align bursts with enemy telegraphs for max. You close encounters by saving a full burst for enemy vulnerability frames. Timing is everything, so coordinate with teammates or use pings to sync. After your final burst, release fully and monitor cooldown. Reposition while it recovers. If the skill fails to activate or shows visual glitches, quickly sheathe your weapon and re-equip to reset the ability state, then retry the charge. If problems persist, relog or restart the instance to clear persistent state anomalies before re-attempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.